Okay, this is a quick review of room 718 at the Holiday Inn Resort in Galveston. Just a quick room tour. We really like this room, so I thought I'd make a video in case somebody was interested in knowing anything about it. It is a balcony, king, ocean view. Bathroom's really nice. Nice shower. TV. Nice couch to lounge on. Microwave. Refrigerator. Little work area if you needed it. Nice bed. Nice nightstands with outlets and USB plugs on both sides. And of course, the view. Which is probably the best part of the room. Little table, 2 chairs. Coffee station, me again. That's all. Just wanted to make a quick video for information if anybody needed it on 718 at the Holiday Inn Resort in Galveston. Thank you for watching.